I go on with this vlog, this is Sayrine, who agreed to do this vlog with me. I know, she's irritated. Both of them are. Throughout the vlog, you will see her. Now on to the video.
Way to F1 YMC. So excited to witness the race.
And by race, I mean the Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2019. I know, it's dope!
It's my first time.
Yup, it's my first time in F1. For those of you who doesn't know what I'm talking about, this event is a Formula 1 motor race held last year, December 1 in Yas Marina Circuit, Abu Dhabi. This race was the 21st and final round of the 2019 Formula 1 World Championship. And yep, I was one of those who experienced it for free. Stay with me guys, because later you will see more of my experiences in F1.
Go to our right.
I have my jacket with me, my water bottle, my bag, and my laptop because we're still gonna work. WTC. Meet my good friend Bashir, our car leave driver, which is the best option if you don't have a car or you don't want to take the bus.
On our literal way. No, it's your first.
Today is my first month. Third day. I might leave, guys, so bye. Welcome back, Philippines. Woo, you're still here. I have nothing else to talk about, guys, so. Expect more if you know what's the result or what will be the result. But expect less. It's get control. Nope, not from me, from an author. Copyright issues. You've been in F1 events since 2018. So tell us about last year. What were maybe the similarities or stuff that had happened? People or some circumstances were the same.
Well, last year I did a lot of pre-event work, but I wasn't able to go into actual F1 because I wasn't accredited. Kasi before they don't allow tourists, so those who don't have Emirates ID to go into F1. Okay, we have like 3 of us working together with Sarah. So ayun.
I was supposed to go to the office yesterday, but since I can do work at home, you know, so I might as well have both, do work and rest at home. And that's the best part of it, you can do both. You love to do events, you love to do this work, and at the same time you enjoy the work itself. Days wherever I go, I take videos, I take photos. I don't know, I didn't think of putting it like a slideshow or create a video where I've been, but I just like taking stock photos and videos. I just can't go back at the same time, the same
That
place.
you've been with, she said, because you're not gonna be with them all the time, so she said might as well, you know.
Yes,
Take
agree.
memories.
I so agree with her. Micah, if you're watching this, love you. Sunrise, guys. Look at that. Beautiful. More random things. Love yourself, guys. If you get fatter, if you get thinner, whatever, love yourself, babe.
She gained 2 kg in just 2 weeks.
We're going to eat, right? That's the main concern. When we arrive, we're gonna eat. And what else are we gonna do when we arrive? Yes, Island.
Nothing. It's basically just eating and sitting there and wait for them to like ask for help. But most of the time they don't ask.
You know what, guys? I love my work. Oh, what are the nationalities that will be joining us?
Mixed eh. So there are a lot of Arabs. Meron ding mga white. So, but mostly Arabs.
It's their event, yeah. I stay here with Micah's family and friends. Ang daming best friend ni Micah dito. Ako lang ata yung hindi. Another expectation versus reality is the work. It's the busy season. Akala ko hindi ko ma-enjoy yung work in terms of time though, because you won't have time for sleep. But honestly, I do have time for sleep. Well, she doesn't. It's really amazing to experience a lot of things all at once. That's why I'm really happy for this person. She's really doing great, obviously. The weather! Oh my! I thought there's no winter.
On off season, you can do karting or you can also pay to drive the race cars. It's either you drive the car or someone will drive and you will sit in the passenger seat.
After a 30-minute drive, we finally arrive. We're inside. Good morning.
Oh my
Just woke up.
This place is gonna be filled with media people in a few moments. Nothing yet. No race yet.
You're looking at Yas Viceroy Hotel from the west side of YMC. You can also check and book the West Grandstand Suites to get a better view of the race from up here. Abu Dhabi Grand Prix 2019 is actually held for 5 days, starting from Super Thursday, Family Friday, Quali Saturday, Sunday for the big race, and Monday for National Day. Presenting the SLM After Race Concerts, every day at 6 p.m. in Do Arena.
I'm gonna do anything and everything you want. Let's just go here. I wanna meet her. Please.
Hingi muna tayong ticket, ha? Okay.
Yup, we got tickets! Yippee!
Well, look at that. There is Ferrari World. Yes, Water World. Warner Brothers. Yes, Mall. Yes, West. And yes, Marina Circuit. Because these are the hotels. We're here.
Yes, you have made this far in the vlog. Come and treat yourself with some fruit and croissants. Later afternoon.
So F1 will have their qualifying round. So those, there are like 20 drivers. So their laps later will determine their position tomorrow.
Oh, hey there.
Jealous!
Done.
Guys, we're outside. We're now gonna go to where?
North Grandstand.
Besides the race, there are entertainment areas and food stalls you can visit around YMC. You can do that by walking, or if you're lazy, circuit shuttles are provided. Oh yeah, sweet ride! For curiosity and shameless plugging purposes, Smart Events is an events boutique company based in UAE. Check their portfolio in the link in my description below. After a 10-minute drive, brace yourselves because you will be watching the aerobatic display.
Ladies and gentlemen, how amazing was that? Sven and Jan! You can tag at Yas Marina Circuit and use that hashtag Abu Dhabi GP.
Free spa.
I think it's free. So you get a haircut, you know, yeah, pedicure, manicure, whatever, something like that.
beautiful dance. Kahit hindi ko siya maintindihan, I so appreciate. I'm so happy right now. Happy 1 month daw! Happy 1 month!
And that is all for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, follow me on my socials, and see you on the next vlog on the part 2 of this video. Bye!